kitchen utensils and appliances. In this video, we'll go through 50 essential words and phrases related to kitchen utensils. Let's get started. Tongs. Tool for gripping and lifting food. Spatula. Flat tool for flipping or spreading. Peeler. Tool for removing the skin of fruits or vegetables. Grater. Tool for shredding cheese or vegetables. Chopping board. Flat board for cutting ingredients. Knife. Sharp tool for cutting food. Fork. Utensil with prongs for picking up or eating food. Spoon. Utensil for stirring or serving foods. Oven. Appliance for baking, roasting, or broiling food. Toaster. Appliance for browning bread slices. Microwave. Machine for quickly heating food. Dishwasher. Machine for washing dishes and utensils. Blender. Electric tool for making smoothies or purees. Dish rack. Stand for drying dishes. Knife sharpener. Tool for sharpening knife edges. Salt shaker. Small container for sprinkling salt. Before we continue, please take a quick time to like, subscribe and comment on this video. Thank you. Let's continue. Pot. Deep cooking vessel for boiling or stewing. Wok. Round bottom pan used for stir frying. Frying pan. Shallow tool for frying food. Apron. Clothes to wear while cooking or cleaning. Plate. Flat dish for serving food. Bowl. Deep dish used for soups or mixing. Cup. Small utensil for drinking liquids. Mug. Large cup, often used for hot drinks. Teapot. Container for brewing and serving tea. Kettle. Pot for boiling water. Jar. Container with a lid, often used for storing food. Fire extinguisher. Safety device for putting out kitchen fires. Chimney. Appliance for removing smoke or steam from kitchen. Cleaver. Large, heavy knife for chopping meat or bones. Kitchen sink. Basin with a tap for washing dishes and hands. Whisk. Tool for mixing or beating liquids. Fridge. Cold appliance for storing perishable food. Jug. Container with a spout for pouring liquids. Cupboard. Cabinet for storing dishes or food. Strainer. Tool for draining liquids from solids. Funnel. Tool for transferring liquids into narrow containers. Rubbish bin. Container for disposing of waste. Trash bag or bin bag. Plastic liner for rubbish bin to hold garbage. Cutlery. Knives, forks, and spoons used for eating. Napkin. Cloth or paper for wiping hands or mouths during meals. Spice container. Small container for storing spices. Oven glove. Heat-resistant glove for handling hot items. Air fryer. Appliance for frying food using hot air instead of oil. Rolling pin. Cylinder for flattening dough. Can opener. Tool for opening cans. Kitchen scale. Device for measuring the weight of ingredients. Corkscrew. Tool for opening wine bottles. Pizza cutter. Wheel tool for slicing pizza. Baking tray. Flat pan for baking in the oven. Ice cube tray. Tray for making ice cubes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment on this channel. Thank you.